Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today we're making a card for Lifescraft. This is what the card looks like on the outside. This is a gatefold card, and there's the inside there. So we're using two things from Lifescraft. We're using the dies here as well as the stamp. So the bird dies look like this. We have this piece here. I did not use that piece. Then we have the two birds, their two wings. Then we have the heart, the branch, and the feet. And then the stamps that I'm using, also from Lifescraft, is called Best Wishes Sentences, and I'm using the greeting here that says, "It's always better when we are together." Alright, so I'm going to set that aside. So for the card base, you need a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that at 2 1/8 on each end. Then go ahead and give that a crease. That creates our gatefold card. Then we have our two panels for the front. These measure 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. The piece for the greeting, this piece is 3 by 3.5. This piece is 3 3/4 by 3 1/4. So the first thing we're going to do, then we have the piece of white for the inside. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Let's first go ahead and adhere our panels down to the front of the card. Alright, so there is one panel. And do the other one, the other side. I'm going to flip it around and lay it flat so I can make sure this one lines up with the other one top to bottom. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good there. Let's go ahead and do the inside. Alright, and get that in there. Alright, so that is done. Now let's go to work on our image piece here. So I already went ahead and die cut all these pieces out just to save some time. Alright, so we have little bird here and here. And I'm going to grab a piece of black cardstock real quick. Okay, just for the back piece for the eyes, just a little piece. Alright. I'm going to take my glue and put some glue behind them on the eye, or near the eye. Then just take that piece of black scrap paper and just lay it on there, behind that. Alright, and do the same for the other bird. You could also, if you want to, use a pearl or a gem for the front. Alright, super cute. I do have them both facing each other. Now I'm going to take them, flip them over, put some adhesive on the very bottom of each bird. And then go ahead and put the feet on. And I think I need another set of feet. Okay, so there's one leg, and then the other leg. Super cute. Alright, now I do need another leg. So I'm going to go ahead and take that same black cardstock, and I apologize for dyeing up behind me. Take that little feet set and run that through my Big Shot real quick. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and take a pokey tool to poke the feet out. I have no fingernails to grab the feet. There we go. Okay. So again, I'm going to take my adhesive still on there. Take this little leg, put it down there, and then this one down there. Oh. They're little, make sure you don't lose them. I think I just lost a leg. Oh, right there. Okay, it was on my leg. The leg was on my leg. Alright. Put that one there. Okay, so now we have the feet done. Alright, now I'm going to take my art glitter glue for this branch. Just kind of dot it on there. take a piece of scrap paper, just dab it off, and then I'm going to put this right here, like that. And I already have the greeting in my mini Misty here, just so I can make sure it's lined up. I'm going to go and do that real quick before I finish. Alright, and I'm going to ink that up with just black VersaFine ink. I'm going to stamp that down. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Alright, take this off of there. I'll just move that. Oh, I almost lost my bird. Alright, go ahead and close the ink. We're done with that. Alright, so now we're going to take this and attach our birds. And then we'll attach the wings. So the birds are sitting on a branch. So cute, right? So cute. All right, then we have the hearts. This one I used my Wink of Stella on, so it has a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to put that at the very top, like that. All right, now we have the wings. I did the wings the same exact color as the birds. What I'm going to do is just take a sponge with some brown ink and just ink the edges on these so they stand out a little bit. By inking them, it gives that almost like a shadow look. All right, going to close that. Okay, so there's one little wing, and then here's the other one. Okay, let me clean that. There we go. So that's what that looks like there. All right, now we're going to flip this over and put some foam squares on the back. And I'm going to use 9 on this one. Only because the foam squares I have are little. Okay, let's give all those a squish. Take the backing off. So super simple card. I apologize for my lighting. It's not that good. When I look at my viewfinder, it looks like it's dark. So hopefully the video itself is not dark. All right, before I do that, I'm going to take this green piece, and I'm only going to put adhesive on half of it. And then put this on our card. Just kind of center it there. Like that. Make sure there's no adhesive on this side, which in this case I do have a little bit. Just rub that off. Okay. All right, now we can take this and put this on the front. And I chose to just pop up the whole white piece versus the birds, but you can certainly pop the birds up. All right, the other heart I cut out, we're going to put that on the inside. And the card is done. Isn't that fast and easy and really cute? I really do like these Gatefold cards. So it does stand by itself, and it does fit into a regular A2 size envelope, which is, I have one here. It fits inside a regular A2 envelope. Now I do have a card kit available as well, and I did include all the pieces. I put them in a little baggie so you wouldn't lose them. Also an envelope, and I will include this card as well with this envelope. So you get the finished card with an envelope and a card kit with an envelope. To win the card kit, leave me a comment below with a bird emoji, and I will announce a winner on Saturday. If you do enter the card kit, be sure to watch my video on Saturday. It's only like a minute long, to where you can see if you win the card kit. Alright, so any questions, my friends, let me know. And again, I used the Best Wishes Sentences, a greeting set, as well as the Cute Birds and Hollow Heart frames. I will have them linked below, as well as my coupon code. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.